what's going on? Well, you can see we're not on the road now. We are in Windsor. It's the following day. We got here. The weather was beautiful. Hung out all day today. Did some stuff. They had some appointments to go and run. I did a bunch of editing and took the dog for a walk. Went to go see the boys over at Hussey's Hot Rods, but they weren't there. Catch up with you guys later. So yeah, we're going to get ready to head over to Detroit, cross over, and we're either going to Bonaventure or Northland to go roller skating. Not exactly sure which. We really wanted to go to the late night and be there for the adults for later on, but we're going to go to the 7 p.m. and roll early with the family stuff because our family here that we're with are flying out really early in the morning. So we got to be back in bed, up early, take them to the airport in Detroit and then carry on. So we're all geared up, ready to go. Hopefully bring you some footage, but we're going to go get our skate on. All right. See you in a minute, America. A little bit of a line. Time. Yay, border.
Esta clase no es
Do en español.
fácil.
Yay! All right, America, let us in so we can go roller skate.
Yes.
Oh, how many gems did you get, babe? And what do they?
I don't know, but it says 20. Increase your Spanish score.
Oh my God!
Oh, I earned 50 gems.
Good God, what are those gonna get you?
I have no idea.
No clue.
Let's see.
Okay, let's go. Want to go skate? See you in a bit, Northland.
Section 3.
Yay!
Yay!
All right, see you in a bit, Northland. All right, we're here. Let's go in. Okay, perfect. Okay.
Don't freeze them.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're here. This is really cool. It's loud in here, so I'll probably talk after.
Come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free.
Move, move, body, move. Move your body, do you move? Move, body, move. Move your body, do you?
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know this game, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top. Let's take a break, here comes the drop. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life. You need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes. You need to be free.
Move, move, body, move, move your body till you move, move, body, move, move your body till you.
Oh,
Come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. A little more, come here. Just
all right, that's it. From Northland. It was a good skate. Nice floor. Big hanger.
Nice bay.
Good place.
Nice bay.
Yeah, nice bay. You did really well tonight. You did absolutely amazing.
This one.
Yeah, super fun. All right, well,
Even though I got taken out kilometers an hour backwards.
wiped out by a kid. Yeah, it happens. It happens. Oh. Yeah, that was good. Oh.
It's nice listening to music and not having to listen to headphones.
Yes, it was nice. Yeah, it was really good not having to have headphones in. It had really good hip hop all night. So right now this is a family skate until 10 o'clock and then they're cleaning, and then 10:30 to 1 in the morning it's an adult skate. We can't stay unfortunately because we got to get back because we got to run to the airport here in the morning with family. So we have to go home and go to bed early. But it was worth it to come over. Haven't been on a wood floor in a long time. She hasn't been on a wood floor ever, and it's really good with her new wheels. She's doing awesome. So we'll get out of here. We'll go home and go to bed. Okay. See you back in Canada.
A.
Hey.